Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2017 Nissan Maxima Platinum, stock number Z90568. Only 11,000 miles in this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check, history report. Color is called Gun Metallic. You do receive the balance of the factory 3-year 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and 5-year 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seats 5. Leather interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Backup camera for additional safety. Spacious trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. Pull the tab on either side allows the split seat back to fold down to accommodate longer cargo items. And very dings in the body. Thick skylight with power sunshade over the second row. This Maxima has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seat, along with a power tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position. Power moonroof. Large, easy to read gauges. We get only 11,000 miles. Steering wheel mounted audio controls. Cruise control. Large touchscreen infotainment system for navigation. Radio. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatible. Backup camera with bird's eye view as well as forward camera. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Redundant controls for the entertainment system. Heated and cooled front seats. Keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a very large glove box with all the owner's auto dimming mirror, homing transmitter for garage door opener, and moonroof and sunshade control. Under the hood, this Maxima has a 3.5 liter V6, 300 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Nice balance of power and fuel economy along with those 300 horses. EPA average of 21 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 30 on the highway, and approximately 50% of tire tread left. For more information on this Maxima, possible.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.